Coco.
Well, there are things which are very dear to us, there are things which we often use, but there are things which have no use for us. Now, any material that is no longer useful to us is called dash. You need to fill in the blank. Your options are air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, waste. That's the correct answer. Well, with the given options, it was a simple answer. The correct answer is waste. Do you know any material that is no longer useful to us is called waste? You need to fill in the blank. Dash holds the layer of air around the earth. Your options are friction, electricity, gravity, ultraviolet rays. That's the perfect answer. The correct answer is gravity. Do you know gravity holds the layer of air around the earth? Another name for global warming is dash. You need to fill in the blank from the given options, and your options are climate change, global hot flash, snow wind, all of these. That's the correct answer. The correct answer is climate change. Do you know another name for global warming is climate change? Land pollution is also caused by excessive use of dash. You need to fill in the blank from the given options, and the options are electricity, noise, pesticides, cars. Correct answer. The correct answer is pesticides. Do you know land pollution is also caused by excessive use of pesticides? You need to fill in the blank from the given options. Dash is the contamination of environment by the discharge of harmful substances in the air, water and soil. Your options are pollution, environment, unicorn. None of them. That's the correct answer. It was a simple one. The correct answer is pollution. Do you know pollution is the contamination of environment by the discharge of harmful substances in the air, water and soil? There's also another kind of pollution which is called sound pollution. You can often hear it on the roads when people honk too much. You need to fill in the blank. Wastes are often thrown or buried, causing dash pollution. Your options are air, water, land. None of these. That's the perfect answer. The correct answer is land. Although it was a simpler one, do you know wastes are often thrown or buried, causing land pollution? You need to fill in the blank. Dash is everything that makes up the surrounding of living things. Your options are environment, pollution, atmosphere, all of these. That's the correct answer. The correct answer is environment. Do you know environment is everything that makes up the surroundings of a living thing? Waste from our homes and factory are dumped into rivers and cause dash pollution. You need to fill in the blank with the given options, and the options are water, air, land, all of these. Perfect answer. The correct answer is water. Do you know waste from our homes and factory are dumped into rivers and cause water pollution? Which among the following is not a process of removing insoluble impurities from water? Your options are filtration, sedimentation, evaporation, decantation. That's the right answer. The correct answer is evaporation. Do you know the heat from the sun makes the water molecules move faster and faster until they move so fast they escape as a gas. Once evaporated, a molecule of water vapor spends about 10 days in the air.